Good afternoon, YouTube. Well, let me show you what we got going on down here in the shop today. Now, I've already built one of these, and I'm going to go ahead and build the second one, and then tomorrow go try them out and see what I got to do to modify them. Anyway, what we have right there is a brand new pair of chains for a semi. And then we have another, not quite as new, but unused chain for a semi. And we have some chain repair. What I'm doing is I'm building a set of chains for my Massey 245. And where it has the wide tires, you know, because it's the wide model, not the skinny model, I need to put two of those together, and then I need to lengthen it, which takes just a little less than half of one of those. Because what I did is I took a rope and backed the tractor over the rope, and then made a measurement around the center circumference of the tire. And like I said, I've already got one built, so I'm going to go ahead and put the second one together, and I'll show you guys how I do that. Everybody say hi. Okay, I got the one single laid out. This is the one I will be cutting. I got the other set, the brand new set, laid out side by side, and at this point I'm going to use these and probably go every other and go ahead and put them together in the center just temporarily. I'm not going to smash these down or weld them yet. Like I said, this is the chunk of rope that I ran around my tractor. So I'll go ahead and clamp that on there, put a little weight on it. Okay, and as you can see, I need to make it a bit longer. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this one, just use bolt cutters, and make the extra pieces without the dog. Alrighty, there you have it. And as you can see, I went 6 inches or so longer. 8 inches. And now it's time to go through, and what I'll do is I'll take all these, I'll smash them together, then I'm going to set up the welder, put a couple little welds on them, make sure they don't come apart. I guess if I start at one end, I won't lose my place. Tell you folks what, I really hate working down here in my shop when it's cold. Well, when you can't have a fire, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, what I'm doing at this point is because you can't hammer those things together tight. I don't know if you can see that, you always end up with a little gap in there. By using a pair of vice grips, it does two things. It gives me a really good ground and pinches them together. Alrighty then, there you have it. Put a couple of little tack welds on both of those to hold them together. And that is one chain, tire chain for my 245. Like I said, I had already made the other one. Cost-wise, extremely cheap. The other one I built didn't take as many of those chain repair clips, because like I said, the other set I actually had a new double, which now if you're wondering, a double, it goes across both tires on a semi. It's just one chain that covers both of them. That made it real easy to make the first one. This one here, granted I did have a brand new set of chains, but people that are interested in cost, okay, on those little chain repair clips I bought, I have roughly $30 into those. That's with tax. They are $1.29 a piece, about $1.40 a piece out the door. The chains. Now, these all the chains, including the ones I still have over there, except for this one set of brand new ones. My brother-in-law drives a truck, and when he gets to truck stops that do minor repairs, he just started asking around, and all the chains, those ones there, like I said, all except for the brand new set, including the doubles and the single I used to build the other chain, they were just going to throw away at the truck stop. And he called me up and he said, "Hey, will semi-truck chains work for your tractor?" And I went, "Yeah, grab them." So those were free. This new set, I don't remember. I did a little side job or traded somebody something for this new set. I've had them floating around for a while. I was just waiting until I got enough chain to do it. Well, haven't had them floating around real long, because anybody that's watched my videos knows I've only had that tractor. I bought it about this time last year. But yeah, expense-wise, not counting the consumables, you know, like the wire, the gas on the welding part, and not counting my time. Like I said, I can't remember what I traded that new set for, but basically under $100. So, hope this helps somebody out. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then thanks for watching anyway. Alright, you guys have a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and bag this up, throw it in the back of the pickup with the other set, and I'll make a video tomorrow when I put them on, and we'll see how they work out. Thanks for watching. Later.